Hey guys, it's Dan with the Crayon Brotherhood, and this video is going to be more for your JTs and JLs because it's going to be going over these headliners, and I don't know who all gets them or what packages gets them, but I do know that, or even if they come in it, but I do know that a patch won't stick to them, and I want to stick my patches up here, and I didn't want to spend another couple $100 on replacements, so we're going to go over wrapping them in headliner material that you can pick up. I got the material and the glue for like 20 bucks at Hobby Lobby, so that's what we're going to do today, because I want to stick my patches up here, and they're just, these things are just held on with double-sided tape and Velcro. They're real thin. Yeah, this is I believe a factory part, front headliner. Yeah, nothing to them. See, just some little Velcro. So we're going to wrap it with headliner material, and so we can stick our patches to it. So, alright guys, so here's the headliner material. It's kind of got a little styrofoam to the back of it. Not styrofoam, foam. I chose black. They got it in about 3 different colors, I think gray, black, and brown, maybe tan. But yeah, 1 yard of this was 12 bucks. The glue was another $11.99. So altogether it was like $24 and some change. And I used to do this kind of stuff when I was a kid. It was real simple. You just want to lay your item out that you're going to wrap. Save material here. We're going to go over here and give yourself, kind of draw your pattern, and give yourself about a ½ inch more than you need, so you can fold it over. Is what you want to do. That way you can glue it on the back side as well. And you just kind of trace it out. So I used to have a tool for this that would hold my marker, and I could set the depth. But now I'm just going to have to kind of freehand it to where I want it. And that is nowhere near straight, but it'll be all right. So I said a ½ inch. I'd say give yourself an inch. You can always trim off more. So I'm just going to bring it out here, just kind of squaring it off, and we can trim it up here in a minute. Because if you got too much, that's fine. If you don't have enough, that's when it becomes a problem. I gave myself way too much there, but it's all right. So this glue, you know what? Let me get the scissors and cut it. So yeah, good scissors are a must. So I'm gonna have to use my medical shears if that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. Well, you can do this with an X-Acto knife. Just keep in mind you're gonna cut whatever's on the back side too. Let me roll this up and get it out of the way. These clips, these aren't a must like I was saying, but they will help kind of, once you get the material rolled over, kind of pinch it in your high spots and stuff like that. Just give you a little bit of extra, you know, holding power while everything sets and dries. So it says it's completely cured in about 10 minutes. This is the Gorilla spray adhesive. I used to use a different brand. They didn't have it there, and I didn't want to go to O'Reilly's. I know O'Reilly's had it. It was like some it's adhesive 87 or something like that. That's with some strong stuff. I hope this is as strong. So far, everything I've used pretty much with Gorilla Glue, I've never been let down with it. It's some stout stuff. So give it a good shake, and it says that you spray both pieces of material and let it set for about 3 minutes for your maximum stickiness, adhesion. But I'm just a couple of days away from going to More Expo, and I bought a bunch of patches, and I've got patches and stuff. But I bought a bunch of patches at Rendezvous in the Ozarks, and they wouldn't stick. And I'm just now getting around to doing this. It's really not a thing that's important, but something I wanted. So on the corners, you're gonna have to make some relief cuts and stuff like that. But that's part of it. All right, let's get this glued up. Make sure you don't have no debris on it. The cleaner the better. I'm not gonna wet this. It's kind of like a pressed glued material. I'm not sure what it is. So I'm definitely. Boy, I could have picked a better day to do this. The wind is starting to kick up. Looks like it's fixing to rain. Unfortunately. You know what, now that we got these out here, might as well use them now to hold it down a little bit. Just use a little bit of weight. Stick that in my pocket. Alright. Get this glued up. Not get that mixed up, that'd be bad. Alright, so I'm going to step out of frame here and spray with this, because overspray. Alright, so we're going to give that a minute. It says 3 minutes on this particular can. And I'm going to get this all over my table. I'm going to hold it up and do the same with it. Alright, now we're going to try to keep the wind from blowing that back up on itself. So I'm going to sit here and hold this for about 3 minutes, and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, it's been about 3 minutes. So we're going to set this down here. And I'll tell you now, this glue's not bad. Not bad at all. But it's not as good as that stuff I used back in the day. That's for sure. I'll redo this back here. That stuff back in the day was some sticky stuff. You just kind of want to pull it up tight around your edges. Way you don't have any creases on the other side. Like right here, it's just trying to peel away, so we're going to put a clamp on it. We will roll it over here in a minute. Like right here, we're going to have to, I'm going to use my good scissors for that, but we're going to have to put a little relief cut. In there. I might have cut that a little far. It's actually starting to adhere really good. We're definitely going to need a relief cut on this side. Alright. Give it one more little one over here. Yeah, I did cut that piece a little off. It should hold. Kind of give it a pull and roll. That's what you want to do, is kind of pull and roll it around there. Now this is going to be the fun part. Give it a good press all the way around. I think we got it. It's a little dirty. I didn't clean my table off good. There you go. Like I said, that corner, I cut it a little too far. You can kind of see it, but it's not bad. You might be able to roll it and hide it. But there you go. I think it turned out all right. So let's install it and see what we got. Oh, all right, there it is. Just line it back up with your Velcro. You're good to go. Now let's grab a patch. There's one of the patches I picked up at the Rendezvous. Put it up here. Now I will say with this material, you kind of got to work your patch in. It don't just grab, but once you work it in, it is there really well. So it's not like Velcro, you can just throw it up there and it stick. You kind of work it in and it's there then. So there you go, y'all can see it. See what else one I got. I got Cavalry Overland. Get them on here. Of course, the OARC Cafe. Oh, here we go. I've had this one since Rendezvous as well, and I ain't had no place to put it. Oh no, I got my sticker. I'm just dropping everything. Everything's just falling in the floor. I'm saving all my stickers for my refrigerator or whatever. I don't really want them on my vehicle, but here we go. The Rendezvous. Kind of give it a little work in there, and it's there. Here we are. Heck yeah. And I picked this one up at Rendezvous as well. Ozark Overland Adventure. So yeah, this is if you don't want to go out and spend another couple $100 or whatever it is on the new panels, this is a good substitute. Like I said, $24 is what I'm out, and it's foam, so it'll help some with the insulation as well. So here we go. Oh. Got them up there. So I'm fixing to do the other side, guys, and I appreciate you watching and take the time to watch the channel. This was just a little quick DIY, something I've been thinking about doing and just hadn't done, and I wanted to finally get them up there. So as I get more, I'll neaten it up, pack them in there a little tighter. But hey, I appreciate you guys watching the channel and stuff, and I hope to see y'all at more expo. I'll be heading out in a couple of days to go up there. I should be there Thursday, but if you see me, be sure to stop by and say hi. So until then, Semper Fi and God bless.